In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to not get kicked for AFK on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. You need to avoid being kicked for AFK in Roblox to maintain active participation in the game and avoid losing progress or rewards. Staying active ensures a smoother and uninterrupted gaming experience. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your device, such as a laptop or PC, and select any game you wish to play. Once you're on the game page, go ahead and minimize or switch to your browser. In the browser's search bar, type AutoClicker and press Enter. You should now see several options in the search results. Click on the link that reads OP AutoClicker. This will take you to the website where you can download the AutoClicker tool. Look for the download button on the website and click on it to start the installation process. After the download finishes, locate the AutoClicker app on your device and open it. When you launch the app, you'll be prompted to select a click interval. This setting allows you to choose how often the clicker will click, and you can set it to hours, minutes, seconds, or even milliseconds. For instance, you might want to set it to 30 seconds, while keeping all other default settings as they are. In the app, you'll also see an option to adjust the hotkey settings, though this is optional and can be left as is if you don't need any changes. Once you've configured everything, return to your Roblox game. In the game, click Start to activate the AutoClicker. Make sure to choose your desired click type, like I selected single click, which defaults to a left click. Once activated, the AutoClicker will begin playing the game automatically. When you're ready to stop the AutoClicker, simply return to the app and click Stop. And that's it. You're all set. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.